Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coyote app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coyote is a freight and load management app developed by Coyote Logistics, designed for carriers and drivers to search, book, and manage loads on the go. The app provides real-time load listings, detailed shipment information, in-app bidding, and load tracking. Users can upload necessary documents, receive payment updates, and communicate directly with Coyote representatives without leaving the app. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many drivers appreciate the app's clean layout, quick load search, and the ability to filter by pickup location, delivery location, and rate. Real-time updates and integrated document upload help streamline operations, while in-app messaging reduces the need for phone calls. The bidding feature also allows carriers to negotiate rates directly through the platform. However, there are a few downsides. Some users report occasional glitches, slow load refresh rates, and high competition for profitable loads. Others mention that rates can sometimes be lower than market expectations, depending on the lane. Also, the app's usefulness largely depends on your location. Drivers in busy freight regions get more opportunities compared to those in lower demand areas. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Coyote app may be worth using if you're a carrier or driver looking for a mobile-friendly way to find and manage loads with Coyote Logistics. It stands out for its integrated tools, real-time load updates, and direct communication features. However, if you're in a low-demand region or seeking consistently high-paying loads, you might find it less rewarding. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.